right, it's that time. Pocket dump Wednesday. So I figured I'd do this right before I head out. So I just loaded up and I'm about to unload what's on my person. What am I carrying? What's my EDC? Okay, so my right pocket, I guess I'll start off with a wallet. You got the wallet, okay? In this case, I've been advertising myself, so that's that. I like it. Slim, does the job, leather, tough. Shout out to that. Let's see, I guess I'll go still in the right pocket. So, pocket slip I made. Got the new logo. Shout out to the alligator. And here is a custom little Centennial pen that I modified way back in the day. Works out really nice. Still working strong. Also, my right pocket. Just finished up this 2 nights ago. Got the Sharpie. Modified it with a used drill bit. Ground it off to a point. Epoxied in there. It ain't going anywhere. Also, right pocket. Keys. On here, something I made a while back. Not sure what to call these, but anyways, shout out to the keys, right? Left pocket, my trusty Nokia phone. This thing is on point. Pull out the antenna, you get great reception. Nah, I'm just joking. Galaxy S23, I believe. Probably can hear that noise. It's around my neck. Let me get this out. Neck knife I made a while back. Actually, you know what? I just jumped. I forgot about this, didn't I? I'll get back to it because I have something inside. Yeah, I made this a while back. I used to call these the Army Snipers. And started making these around 2012, I believe it was. Yeah, nice little unit. What did she say? Okay, back to this. So I was talking about that. I got this tractor with a pen, the whole thing. But anyways, I forgot what kind of leather this is, but yeah, it works out nice. I like this leather. And inside, nice Portuguese slip joint. I'm having a hard time with this focus today. Sheep's foot. Very nice knife. Shout out to that. Oh, let me go like that. Okay. And lastly, another DMKusa Mellow Knives folder that I made. Flipper, Damascus steel, titanium handles. I got both logos there. Got the DMKusa on the pocket clip, which is titanium. The Mellow Knives logo on the Damascus. On bearings. Well, that's it, guys and gals. Thanks for coming in, checking out this quick EDC dump. Also, I have one more thing on me. It's a necklace. Let me see here. Let me take it out real quick if I can. Okay, there we go. Just a sterling silver necklace, but has this here, and just gives me a little bit of faith and keeps me going with all those hard times I go through. Just a reminder to just keep pushing. So with that being said, thanks for coming in, checking out this quick dump. About to put all this gear back into my pockets and head out. And I would appreciate if leave a comment and hit the like or the dislike button. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care.